What's up guys, this is Rudra and welcome to the YouTube platform Yoga Saathi. So guys, in this video you are going to learn that how can you improve your backward flexibility by the rolling of the Chakrasana. In this video I am going to teach you the different type of rolling which help to improve your shoulder flexibility and your back flexibility as well as. Okay, how to do? First of all, we have to do Chakrasana. You can do Chakrasana by the standing posture or by the lying posture. I'm teaching by the lying posture. Okay, you have to do just only Chakrasana from here. Little bit close your hands towards the legs. Okay, do not widen your legs too much. Okay, you have to keep close your knee and the heels together. Okay, and then you have to do rolling. You have to transfer the body weight towards the hands and towards the legs, towards the hands and towards the legs, hand side and leg side, hand side, leg side, and hand side, leg side. Okay, the simple rolling, do it 20 times in each step and you seeing that your backward bending flexibility is continuously increasing. Second type of rolling, how to do? Now I am showing that how you can do the standing Chakrasana. Just place your palms in your waist region. Okay, simply just push your hips maximum backward, maximum forward side, and just do maximum backward bending. First you have to do maximum backward bending, and then by one hand you can place and other hand you can place simply. Okay, then second type of rolling, how you can do? You have to just downward the head and up, downward the head and towards the heel. You have to put your heads towards the heels. Okay, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, like this. If you are doing like this rolling, your backward bending is continuously increasing. Okay, now let's do third type of rolling. For the third type of rolling, again you have to do Chakrasana simply. Okay, now fold your elbows and put it on the ground like this. Okay, now interlock your fingers and just straighten the legs little bit forward, little bit, don't too much far away from the body. Okay, now straighten the legs and then come up, straighten the legs and come up. This will help to improve your upper backward bending. You can keep close your hands toward the legs, and then again you can do forward, backward, forward, backward, forward, backward. Okay, these three rollings help to improve your flexibility to the maximum level. Just try to do, and if you are facing any problem you can comment me. I will try to solve your problem, and let's meet in next video.